Hey guys, if your Samsung TV is not turning on or you're getting some kind of black screen, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you some ways you can fix this issue. Now I'll be demonstrating this on a Samsung Smart TV, but if you do have a different television model, then you can still follow along with these steps as they're going to be somewhat similar. Now the very first thing we need to do is just locate the power cord that runs from the back of your television to the main power supply. Then we're simply going to unplug this from the wall socket here, and it's important that we remove this plug from the actual wall socket and not just turn off the television via the remote. And then once you've unplugged the power, we need to come over to the physical television and locate the power button on your TV. Now on my Samsung TV here, this power button is located just underneath the Samsung logo here. If you have a different model of television, then this button may be located somewhere slightly different. It could either be around the sides of the television or maybe somewhere on the back. And once you've found this button, we're just going to hold this down for 15 seconds. Now what this is going to do is it's just going to drain any residual power that might be left in the television. So once you've held this button down for 15 seconds, then we're just going to go ahead and re-plug our television back into the power, and you can try turning on your television via the remote. Now if the TV still won't turn on via the remote, then come over to this power button again located on the television, and you can try turning on your TV from here. This could rule out any issues with a faulty remote or a remote that's low on power. Sometimes even if you do get a flashing light on your remote control, there could be one particular button that's stuck. So just go ahead and try turning on the TV via this power button. Now if that still doesn't fix the issue, another thing that we can do is come round to the back of the television, and what you need to do from here is locate any HDMI ports that are currently running from your television to a device. So as you can see here, this is all of my HDMI cables running from my television, and what I want you to do is just remove all of these HDMI connections. We can put them back later on, but for now just remove all of these. And once you've unplugged all of these from the television, we're then going to once again try powering up our TV. Sometimes if you do have a faulty HDMI cable, this could cause the illusion that your TV is not turning on, whereas in fact it's just the faulty HDMI connection. So once again, you can check that and see if it fixes the issue. Now if you have tried both of these steps and the TV is still not turning on, then the last thing that I'd recommend doing is just swapping out your power cable that runs from the back of your television. If you do have a spare power cable on another TV, you could just try replacing it with this. And what you're trying to do here is just detect if it's an issue with the power cable or an issue with the hardware itself. If you don't have a spare power cable lying around, then it could be worth just buying one online. I know you can get them for a few quid on Amazon and things like that. And lastly, if you have tried replacing the power cable and your television still isn't powering up, then it's probably worth taking in your television to a professional to get it looked at, as there's probably an issue with some internal components of the TV. And that's it guys. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.